How to get $50 Expedia coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Expedia coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, groupon.com. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Expedia. You can see that 7% off, $10 off, $50 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code and then check whether the code is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on shop now. You will be directed to the official website of Expedia. Then you can log into your account, book your stays, flights, or cars. Then proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. And with that, you're going to get the discount in your flight or stays. You can also try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Expedia. Lastly, what you can do is head back. You can also check out these website, this one website, Coupon Follow, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Expedia. Just scroll down and check out the offers. To apply any offer, the process is exact same. So this way you can easily get up to $50 working Expedia coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.